to Santorini. Yeah.
We stayed in Armeni Village, Santorini from June 27 until July 3. Santorini is a pearl, but a small pearl, and you will fall in love with it. But 8 days is really too long. A stay of 2, maximum 3 days would be great, and you have seen it all. Armeni Village is a room-only property. As per booking site, it ranges from 4 to 5 stars. But for us, we would rate this property as 3.5 stars. The staff in Armeni Village was great. They are worth 5 stars.
How was your flight? Good. This is our room in Santorini. And the bathroom.
The rooms built in caves and are sufficient. Nothing luxury that would upgrade the rating.
So this room has its own jacuzzi.
We had a private jacuzzi, but it was full of algae that we were scared to use it. So I requested to clean it and replace the water. We stayed in a suite with our own private balcony, which was great for a wonderful breakfast and drone flying and amazing views of the Caldera and the promenade.
There is very nice swimming pool. Walking careful. And this is the other swimming pool. It's just very hot.
The trip up and down the stairs was a punishment every day. You need to be in a good condition to walk up on the unstable cobbles without decent or no rail. The trip was a special occasion, our 12.5 years anniversary, and that made it special. But we will not visit Santorini again, and I cannot recommend Armeni Village to people lacking a good condition.
They gave us free wine as a gift. I think we will just eat outside. we chose for breakfast. They served it as we like. Cruisely and some yogurt. Here's the yogurt. And a boiled egg. And this is the coffee. And the lovely view. Amazing. Paradise.